Hey, these are my test boxes again, and what I've done is I've added some venting on this first one. It's got the front vent, but then I lowered the back panel on this one, so you can see there's venting from front to back now. And I'm going to compare that to the regular design, which just has the side vents on the top. Then I've got my Texas Bluebird box, unpainted, compared to the same box with a light tan paint coating.
It's July 15th, doing another test, and these are my gauges. I've got 85.5, 85.5, 85.6, 85.5, and 85.6. So we're going to go ahead and put these in the boxes. July 15th, 2011, doing a temperature check. Ambient is 86.5. The light box with the extra venting is 88.7. The light box with regular venting is 89.8.
The unpainted Texas box is 88.0. And the light tan painted Texas box is 85.6.
Okay, July 15th, 2011. It's 2:30 p.m. Doing a temperature check. Ambient is 86.5. Light box with the extra venting is 89.4. The light box with the regular venting is 90.3.
The unpainted Texas Bluebird box is 88.7. And the Texas box painted is 86.0.
July 15th, 2011, and it's 3 p.m. Doing a temperature check. Ambient is 86.7. The light box with extra venting is 90.7. The light box with regular venting is 91.8.
The regular Texas box, unpainted, is 90.5. And the Texas painted box is 87.1.
July 15th, 2011, it's 3:30 p.m. Doing a temperature check. Ambient is 86.5. The light box with extra venting is 91.2. Light box with regular venting is 92.8.
The regular Texas box unpainted is 91.4. And the light colored Texas box is 87.4.
July 15th, doing a temperature check. It's 4 p.m. Ambient is 86.2. The light color box with extra venting is 92.1. The light box with regular venting is 93.4. The regular Texas box, unpainted, is 92.1. And the Texas painted box is 87.6. July 15th, doing a temperature check. It's 4:30. Ambient is 85.1. White color box with extra venting is 89.4. The white box with regular venting is 90.9. The Texas regular box is 88.7. And the Texas painted is 85.1. Okay, July 15th, 2011, doing a temperature check. It's 5 p.m. Ambient is 83.7. The light box with extra venting is 86.0. The light box with regular venting is 87.4. The Texas box, no paint, is 85.3. And the Texas box painted is 83.1. Okay, July 15th, doing a temperature check. And it's 5:30 p.m. Ambient is 82.8. The light box with the extra venting is 84.6. The white box with the regular vents is 85.5. Texas box unpainted is 84.0. And the Texas box painted is 82.2.